Absolutely. Thank you so much for having me. This was really insightful to see so many passionate students working on this problem. It is a big problem with single use plastics. The only advice I'd like to give, a lot of these can be potential business ideas. Please explore this. Please try to see how you can take it to the very end, build on it. Secondly, don't focus on the symptoms, focus on the root problem. The closer you get to the root problem, on how you can solve it, whether that's behavioral change, whether that's working with systems and processes in general altogether. Please try working with systems and trying to change them instead of maybe just solving the end problem. We need both, but the lesser plastic we have, the lesser we need to put in extra energy and extra time and effort into reusing it or upcycling it, which is much more energy incentive than just cutting it at the source. So definitely work with stakeholders, develop on these ideas, work with your peers, talk to your teachers about how you can build this as a class project or as a class business for that matter, because a lot of these ideas have the potential to solve existing problems. So definitely look into that. If there's any way that I can help, please reach out to me. But India is the largest producer of plastic in the world, and there's a huge amount of plastic that we throw away. I think it became the largest country last year, the largest plastic polluter or something as of 2024. So we need solutions in our country that are homegrown because they affect our health, they affect our ecosystem, they affect marine life. It comes back to us one way or the other. Plastic has been found in human bodies. So it's a very, very pressing solution, and I encourage everyone to even advocate at home. Tell your families to not. If you see them drinking out of a plastic bottle, start your activism at home, and see the change that you can bring about even in your schools and platforms that you have access to.